In the previous lessons, you have learned simple programming with Logo. Let us now learn about another easy and interesting computer language called Scratch. Telling a computer what you want it to do is sometimes difficult because you have to explain things very carefully. Computers don't understand English. Instead, you have to give them instructions in special computer languages that they can understand. Scratch is one such computer language. In Scratch, sprites, objects are manipulated on the stage background using various scripts, small program segments. Each sprite has its own set of scripts to control its behavior and how it interacts with other sprites. Scratch helps to create a program by simply dragging the blocks in the script area. Cool fact: Scratch is a free programming language software and can be downloaded from the following website: https://scratch.mit.edu/download/scratch2. Starting Scratch. Follow these steps to start Scratch. Click on the Windows button. Using the search option, search for Scratch from the keyboard. Click Scratch2 or double-click the Scratch icon on the desktop. The Scratch window opens after some time. The Scratch window. As you can see from the figure given above, the Scratch window is divided into different areas. Let's learn about them now. Menu bar. The menu bar consists of various sprite-related tasks and commands. For example, you can open a new or existing project, save a project, undo an action, and get help on different topics related to Scratch. The menu bar has the following buttons. Scratch logo. This button takes you to the home page of Scratch. Globe. This button is used to change the interface language. File menu. Consists of commands to open an existing project, create a new one, or save a project. Edit menu. Consists of options to adjust the layout of the stage or use the undelete option. Apart from these buttons, there are a few more tools available on the menu bar. Let us know about them too. Tool, icon, purpose. Duplicate. Makes a copy of a block or sprite. Delete. Removes a sprite or block from the project. Grow. Select this tool and then keep clicking on a sprite to keep increasing its size. Shrink. Select this tool and then keep clicking on a sprite to keep decreasing its size. Display area or stage. The stage is where all the action takes place. When you start Scratch, an orange cat appears in the middle of the stage. The stage has a few buttons on the top and also the new sprite button at the bottom. Let's learn about them. Stage button helps to switch between the default stage size and the full screen mode. Green flag runs a project. Stop button stops the execution of a project. New sprite buttons help in adding a new sprite on the stage. These are: allows you to choose a new sprite from a ready-made library, allows you to paint your own sprite on the stage, allows you to upload your own image as new sprite, allows you to click a picture using the web camera and use it as sprite. Creating a simple script. Let's create a script that moves a sprite forward. To do this, follow these steps. From the Actions library, click the Motions category. Drag the Move 10 Steps block onto the programming area. Double-click on 10 and replace it with 30. Now double-click the block and see how the sprite moves on the stage. If you keep double-clicking the block multiple times, the sprite keeps moving ahead 30 steps each time. Cool fact: if you want to move the sprite backwards, type -30 in the block. Changing the sprite. The default sprite in Scratch is a yellow cat, but you can change it according to your requirements. To change a sprite, Follow these steps. In the Sprite area, right-click the cat sprite and choose the Delete option. Now click the Choose Sprite from Library button. The Sprite library will appear. Click the People folder to open the folder and choose a sprite of your choice. You may move this sprite as explained in the previous example. Saving a project. Follow these steps to save a project in Scratch. Click the File menu and choose the Save option. In the Save Project dialog box that appears, give a suitable name to your project file. Choose the location where you want to save your file. For example, desktop. Click the Save button. Opening an existing project. To open a saved project, follow these steps. Click the File tab and choose the Open option. The Open Project dialog box appears. Choose the destination where the project is saved. Click the project you want to open. Click the Open button to open the project.